Hey there! Ever been frustrated with your Xiaomi phone system app updater pausing downloads? Today, I've got you covered with some easy fixes. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Change updater settings. First, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then, tap the three-dot icon and select Settings. Next, choose Auto Updates and pick Update using Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Turn on and off airplane mode. To do this, swipe down from the right side of the screen. For this one, turn on airplane mode from the quick settings. After 30 seconds, turn airplane mode off. Now, see if that resolves the issue. Solution 3. Clear cache and data from System App Updater. Start by opening the Settings app on your Xiaomi device. Then, scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, select Manage Apps. After that, tap the three-dot icon and choose Show All Apps. Now, in the search bar, type Updater. Then, select System App Updater from the results. Tap Clear Data, then confirm by selecting Clear Cache and tapping OK. Then hit Clear All Data, then confirm with OK. Finally, restart your phone and check if the issue persists. Solution 4. Factory reset your device. For this, open Settings again. Then, tap on About Phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Factory Reset. After that, select Erase All Data. Now, enter your password or PIN if prompted. Tap Next, then confirm with Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your device. Once done, the issue should be fixed. And there you have it. You have successfully tackled the System App Updater pausing download issue on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!